There's something massive hiding in the darkness beyond Neptune, and we still cannot explain it. Space is supposed to be empty, predictable, but at the edge of our solar system, something impossible is happening. Something big enough to warp orbits, yet invisible enough that no telescope has ever seen it. It all started with a handful of frozen worlds on the outer edge of the Kuiper Belt. These small, icy objects were drifting in orbits that shouldn't exist. They were all aligned, all pulled in the same direction, as if something massive was shepherding them, like a cosmic tide. But the strangest part wasn't just their alignment. It was how they were orbiting. These objects weren't following neat, circular paths like the inner planets. Their orbits were stretched, long and thin, pulled far out into the darkness, as if something had dragged them and tilted them off course. It was as if a hidden giant were tugging on them from a distance. Not enough to pull them in, but enough to twist their paths in these strange, elongated curves. These icy bodies sweep around in huge, bending trajectories, all pointing toward the same invisible source. Now, this isn't random. This is a signature, a gravitational fingerprint of something massive lurking in the dark. The odds of this happening by chance are almost zero, so astronomers did the only logical thing. They ran the math. And the math pointed to something extraordinary. A planet, 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth, orbiting so far away that it takes 10,000 years to complete a single loop around the Sun. We call it Planet 9. But here's where things get even stranger. Possibility 1. A super-Earth. A world bigger than anything in the inner solar system. Rocky, icy, with an ocean of frozen nitrogen. A giant that formed close to the Sun and was gravitationally flung into the darkness billions of years ago. Possibility number 2. A mini Neptune. A small gas world. Blue, cold, wrapped in methane clouds, a lonely wanderer exiled to the edge of everything. Possibility 3. Something far more exotic, a primordial black hole. Some physicists believe that Planet 9 might not be a planet at all, but a black hole the size of a bowling ball, with the mass of a world hidden inside a halo of dark matter. If that's true, it would be one of the strangest objects ever discovered in our solar system, a gravitational ghost. So why can't we find it? Because Planet 9, whatever it is, lives in a place where sunlight barely reaches. It's hundreds of billions of miles away, too faint to reflect much light, too slow to notice unless you're watching the right patch of sky for years. It might even be hiding behind the Milky Way's bright center, lost in the blur of millions of stars. Our best telescopes have scanned only a tiny fraction of the sky where it could be. If Planet 9 is out there, it's playing the greatest game of hide and seek in human history. But the hunt is about to change. In the mountains of northern Chile, a new observatory is being completed. One powerful enough to finally end this mystery. It's called the Vera C Rubin Observatory. Unlike traditional telescopes that stare at a single patch of sky, Rubin scans the entire visible sky every few nights, creating a living, evolving map of the cosmos. With a camera the size of a car and a staggering 3.2 billion pixel sensor, it can detect objects 100 million times fainter than what the human eye can see. And that's the key. Planet 9 doesn't reveal itself through brightness, but through motion. A slow, almost imperceptible drift across the background of distant stars. Rubin is designed to spot exactly that. The moment Planet 9 shifts even slightly, Rubin will see it. And for the first time, we'll know whether a world or something far stranger is lurking in the dark. Finding Planet 9 wouldn't just add a new world to our solar system. It would rewrite our understanding of everything. How planets form, how the solar system evolved, where the borders of our cosmic neighborhood truly end. For now, all we have is the evidence, and a series of strange, silent orbits pointing towards something waiting in the dark. Planet 9 might be out there right now, drifting through the void, watching us as we search for it. And with the Rubin Observatory, will we finally discover this distant world? Or will the strange orbits beyond Neptune remain unexplained forever?